Today I am reviewing the Lefant LiDAR robot vacuum and mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lefant LiDAR robot vacuum and mop M2 Pro is an impressive, all-in-one cleaning solution designed to make your life easier and your home spotless with minimal effort. Right from the start, what stands out is its 45-day self-emptying capability, which means you can forget about frequently emptying the dustbin. Lefant offers both a bagless design and an option for traditional dust bags, giving you flexibility and convenience while saving money on ongoing costs and reducing plastic waste. This is perfect for anyone who wants hassle-free maintenance without compromising on hygiene. The smart navigation system of the M2 Pro is powered by advanced 360-degree LiDAR technology, which allows the robot to scan and map your entire home with great precision. It automatically creates multi-floor maps, so if you live in a multi-story house, this vacuum can seamlessly navigate between levels and plan the most efficient cleaning routes. This intelligent planning minimizes repeated cleaning or missed spots, ensuring every corner gets the attention it deserves. One of the key highlights of this robot vacuum is its precision obstacle detection and avoidance system. Equipped with 9 triangulation distance sensors and a wide 190-degree PSD detection angle, the M2 Pro can sense objects as close as 1.6 inches. This means it can skillfully avoid furniture, walls, and even small objects on the floor, greatly reducing the chances of collisions or getting stuck. It's also an excellent choice for pet owners, as it effectively picks up pet hair and maneuvers around pet-related obstacles without issue. Customization is another strong point of the Lefant M2 Pro. Using the Lefant app, you gain complete control over your cleaning schedule and preferences. You can customize cleaning modes and frequency for each individual room, select specific zones or areas to clean, and even split or merge rooms to fit your home layout perfectly. This level of personalization ensures the vacuum works according to your lifestyle and keeps your space cleaner with less effort on your part. The M2 Pro doesn't stop at vacuuming, it also mops. With a powerful 5,500 Pascal suction and a 300 milliliters water tank, this robot can vacuum and mop simultaneously, saving you time and the trouble of juggling multiple cleaning devices. The water flow is adjustable in 3 levels per room via the app, adapting to different floor types and dirt levels. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or stone floors, the M2 Pro provides a deep and thorough clean, effortlessly maintaining spotless floors throughout your home. Carpet owners will appreciate the M2 Pro's advanced carpet detection feature. When a mop attachment is on, the vacuum automatically avoids carpets to keep them dry and pristine. When you remove the mop holder, it instantly boosts suction power for deep carpet cleaning. This smart adjustment ensures the robot can handle all flooring types in your home efficiently and effectively without any manual intervention. Battery life is another area where the M2 Pro excels. Powered by a long-lasting 3,200 mAh battery, it can run continuously for up to 140 minutes on a single charge, which is perfect for cleaning large homes in one go. When the battery runs low or the cleaning job is done, the robot automatically returns to its charging dock, so you never have to worry about it running out of power mid-clean. Finally, Lefant backs this robot vacuum with excellent customer service, providing professional support Monday through Friday and a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. It even supports Apple iWatch integration, allowing you to control the vacuum from your wrist, although the watch is sold separately. Overall, the Lefant LiDAR robot vacuum and mop M2 Pro is a top-tier, intelligent cleaning companion that combines strong suction power, smart navigation, customizable cleaning options, and convenient self-emptying functionality. Whether you have pets, mixed floor types, or a large home, this robot vacuum is designed to keep your floors immaculate while giving you more free time and less cleaning stress. It's a worthy investment for anyone looking to upgrade their home cleaning experience.